You are asking, how does a poor person become rich 100 watts? Here, maybe you have jokingly or metaphorically meant power, energy, idea by 100 watts. The real path to becoming rich from poor actually depends a lot on knowledge, skills, patience, and the right decisions. I am saying some steps in a simple way, as if a 100-watt bulb lights up in the head. Steps to becoming rich from poor one. Acquire knowledge, education, skill. Read books, learn new skills. In the present era, good income is possible in coding, digital marketing, freelancing, trading, and even technical work. 2. Start small. First, start a small business, work. For example, online reselling, tutoring, service-based work, small shop, etc. 3. Build habits. Always save a portion of your income. Reduce expenses. Avoid unnecessary luxuries. 4. Build a network. Associate with successful people. Share ideas. Seek cooperation. 5. Invest. Start investing from savings, business, land, stock market, small startups, etc. Teach money to work for money. 6. Have patience and perseverance. No one becomes rich in a day. Results are obtained only by continuous effort. If 100 watts means the light of full bright ideas in the head, then the real power to become rich from poor is skill plus hard work plus right decision. If you want, I can suggest 10-15 realistic business ideas for you in Bangladesh, which even poor people can start with a small capital. Do you want me to write them in detail?